It's time to talk numbers. Though the subject can come up at any time, it's usually a sign that you've made it far into the interview process. Here's the dilemma. Though you don't want to leave money on the table, you also don't want to propose a number that exceeds the employer's range for negotiation. In this blog, we give you advice on how to best approach such a situation. It focuses on 3 key factors: knowing your market value, paying attention to the context, and considering the intangibles of the position and company. So the salary has been negotiated, you received the contract, you've signed it, and you've sent it back. What a perfect way to end this series. I hope you've enjoyed it. Please feel free to reach out to me on LinkedIn to continue this discussion or to give me feedback. With that out of the way, I wish you all an excellent holiday season.